Hey team, Carl here, Redbeard Recipes. Today we're going to be making onion jam. Like and subscribe. Let's get you started.
There guys, for the onion jam, we've got 2 diced red onions, a of thyme, a teaspoon of Jamsetta, or roughly 5 grams, a cup of red wine, a cup of sugar, and 1 teaspoon of Worcestershire sauce. And we'll put a little bit of salt and pepper in there as well. Add the red onion, a little bit of seasoning, and just let that soften up, and we'll start on the other side. So the red onions are starting to go clear, so we're going to add in the Worcestershire sauce, thyme, red wine, and sugar. We're going to let that all melt down together and just simmer away for about another 5 minutes, get it up to temperature. Oh yeah, star anise. Chip that shit in.
I like you, but you're crazy.
So the red onion jam has just been ticking away for about 5 minutes. It's just got up to heat. It's still on a relatively low heat, but we're going to add in our Jamsetta. So this is going to make it a lot quicker process than making jam normally. This will literally get it to your consistency within, I don't know, say half an hour. We'll just have that on a very low simmer. It'll start binding together. Then we'll take it off, chill it in the fridge for a little bit. Just give this a stir occasionally so it doesn't stick to the bottom. Our onion jam is looking good, so it's all nice and dark. We're just gonna pop that in to a pot, a jar, container, whatever you want. Let it cool. Obviously when it stopped steaming, you can pop a lid on, chuck it in the fridge. It'll last quite a while because of the sugar content. Good to go.
Thanks for watching that, guys. Hope you enjoyed it, and I'll see you in the next one.